the new topic, that is nature of psychological data. As you know that we have already started the chapter second. This is a subtopic of that chapter, that is nature of psychological data. Now in this, first of all we have to clear the term data. What data is? ठीक है, साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, दे कलेक्ट अ वैरायटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, रिसर्चर, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, दे कलेक्ट वैरायटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. दैट इंफॉर्मेशन इज नोन एज डाटा. ठीक है, इंफॉर्मेशंस आर कॉल्ड डाटा बिकॉज साइकोलॉजिस्ट कलेक्ट वैरायटी ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन बाय डिफरेंट मैथड्स, डिफरेंट टूल्स. ठीक है, सो दैट इज ऑल डाटा. ठीक है, इफ वी टेक if we use the term plural sense, then it's data. If we use it in a singular sense, then it will come datum. ठीक है, clear? In singular sense it's datum and in plural sense it's data. ठीक है. Now information is of two types, overt behavior and covert behavior. दोनों behavior को हम जब observe करते हैं, that is information. ठीक है. Now I won't tell you what is overt and covert. It's your duty to send me a voice message for overt and covert behavior. What does these two terms means? ठीक है. Now I want to check your knowledge, that did you understand or not. So this is all about data. Now without data, without any data, the research or psychologist can't find or can't make any conclusion. Data, ठीक है, because without data psychology is not possible. ठीक है. So data is also data is not also same for everywhere. Means for a student, if I am asking few questions to student, he will be different. But the same questions if parents ask at home, that the answer will be different. Means even we people behave different in different situations. In school our behavior is something different, at home our behavior is different, at office our behavior is different. So at everywhere our behavior is not same, we are having a different behavior. So whenever psychologist collect the data, he or she must collect everywhere. Means from office also, from school also, from home also, everywhere he or she must collect the data. ठीक है. डिपेंडेंट ऑन नेचर ऑफ डाटा कलेक्शन. समटाइम्स डाटा क्या होता है, आर्टिफिशियल है. समटाइम्स वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग द स्टूडेंट्स और आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग द स्टूडेंट्स. जब बच्चों को पता चलता है कि हाँ मेरे को कोई ऑब्जर्व कर रहा है, तो वो आर्टिफिशियलिटी भी शो करता है, बीच में आर्टिफिशियल बिहेवियर भी लाना शुरू कर देता है. नेचुरल बिहेवियर नहीं होता. अगर हम वैसे ही ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं और बच्चों को पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि समवन इज ऑब्जर्विंग मी, तो वो नेचुरल डाटा होता है. नेचुरल डाटा जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम कलेक्ट करते हैं. सो डाटा को कलेक्ट करने के भी कई तरीके होते हैं. ठीक है. सो अब सबसे पहले हम करते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डाटा. देयर आर 4 मेन टाइप्स ऑफ डाटा. फर्स्ट इज डेमोग्राफिक इंफॉर्मेशन. In demographic information, like you people have filled the biodata. Whenever we join the new session of the school, we fill the biodata. Like we will fill the main informations like your name, your parents' name, then your village name, your phone number, contact number, anything. Okay? These type of information which when it's filled is demographic information. This is what? This is demographic information when we give information about us, about our biodata. Then is physical information. In this physical information, the environment will come. Means in what type of environment we live. We live in hilly area or forest area or desert area. What type of environment in which we live is physical information. Then is physiological information. In physiological information, our body. What type of our body is, like blood pressure, to check the blood pressure, level of fatigue check karna, then amount of salivation in our mouth, then running, jumping, all these when we calculate they come under sociological information. Then is psychological information. In this is related to our mind. Like in this many areas like intelligence, personality, interest, creativity, emotions, these types of things come under psychological information. Psychological information, not sociological. In this, body temperature, what type of a body is, blood pressure high low है, या level of fatigue, level of salivation comes under this. And in this intelligence, creativity, emotions, all these topics come under this. Now there are many types of many forms of data collection. Like we can also collect the data in the form of categories. Categories means yes or low, high or low. These types of thing comes under categories. whenever we make true or false options, like this is true, this is false, whenever these types of answers comes, that comes under categories. Then is ranks. Ranks means in ordinal numbers, like first, second, third, fourth. This is ranks. Whenever we ask a student which rank you got, he will say first rank, second rank. This type of ranks will comes. Then next is scores. In scores we will say 10, 20th, 30th score, 50th score, या 15th score. These all is scores. These all are done on the scales. ठीक है. Then we can also obtain data with the help of observation records. Like in the next topic, in some important methods in psychology, in the very next topic, methods of psychology, we'll discuss about few methods like observation method, experimental method, case study. When we will study these all, you will able to understand about the forms of the data. ठीक है. So today the topic is different types of data. What do you mean by data? They both topic come under nature of psychological data.